In this particular tutorial, I'm going to discuss how we can easily change styles, adapt new styles. Close this one I was playing with, open up About T, which is in your week 2 file for Advanced Web Design. I'm going to save it with another name because I might want to use this again. Just give it a, I'm going to call it 4, 5. Okay, now we've opened up the page and we're in Design View, and we're going to make some changes to the styles. We're going to add some styles by pressing Page Properties button down at the bottom. And firstly we're going to set the size of the font. So I'll try 9, see what that looks like, apply the style, and we can see that we can design on the run here. Not happy with that, it's a bit too small, so I'll return it to 12, apply. I'm going to play around with the text color, maybe make a nice brown color. And at this stage I'm going to set the margins in appearance to 0 all round, and that's because I don't want there to be any conflict between the different browsers that I'm using here. Moving on to links, CSS. This is how I'm going to change the links. Now over here we have an example of one of our links on the page, and at the moment it's in the default mode, which is to be blue and underlined. I'm going to change some of those characteristics. I'm going to change the link color. I'm going to change the rollover color. And I'm going to remove those underlines. And we can see, as that we're playing around, we can see what the effects look like. Third thing I'm going to look at is headings. Now I actually would like to see a different kind of heading. I think I'll choose Palantino. And I'm going to set my heading height for heading 1 to be 20. For heading 2 I'm going to set it at 18. No, set it 17. Apply those changes. And then I'm also going to make change to the color heading 1 and change the color to heading 2. And we can see that we're changing them on the hoof. So this is a good way of playing around with our styles on the hoof and seeing how it looks. I actually think I'll change the background color as well. And here we have the background color, make that that's yellow. Now at this stage I haven't bothered about where the styles are going, but I'll pull this out and I can see that all my styles are in line. That is, if we look at the split view for the page, the styles are all appearing at the top of the page. But I'd like to actually create my own style sheet, an external style sheet, and this is for accessibility reasons. So I'm going to press on the top one, I'm going to shift click to the bottom one, and then I'm going to right click and choose Move, CSS Rules, and I'm going to create a new external style sheet. And I'll call this style sheet just any old name. I'm not too bothered, this is a lesson after all. And when we return, we can see in the CSS rules we've got a new style sheet. All our inline styles have now been taken off the page. And If I just get this out of the way, I can see that within my page, I've got no styles at the bottom of the page. I've got an attached external style sheet. And that's all there is to it.